Petitioner, being a candidate for the post of Sub-Inspector Legal Police, stood runner-up while Muhammad Shafiq, respondent number 5, secured first position on merits, thus was selected first up. The main plea of the petitioner is that respondent number 5 is the resident and domiciled of Mehmand agency, while the vacancy was reserved for Mardan district. Thus the said respondent could not be selected on the said seat irrespective of the merits first up. The application form number 41 submitted by respondent number 5 would show that he has shown the place of birth district Mardan, although dual residences have been claimed in column number 7, that is Mehmand agency Fata first up. Respondent number 5 was selected and appointed as a lecturer in law at Mehmand agency. However, when he has formally decided to serve at Mardan, reside here till the end of his service, then his intention is manifest from this act that he intends to permanently settle here. Thus it cannot be held that he was absolutely ineligible on this court count when choosing the best one to deliver best service in this field is the requirement of law, then imposing upon the public a person less qualified would not be in the larger interest of the public. First up, the petitioner was questioned in the court to assess the depth of his knowledge about law, but he could not answer even the most simple questions. First up, in writ jurisdiction, unless an authority has been shown to have acted without jurisdiction, without lawful authority, or in such an illegal manner causing grave miscarriage of justice, then no order for rectification could be issued, and the case in hand is not different in nature. First up.